Sunday Ticket Student Package. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to sign up for NFL Sunday Ticket Student Plan. So let's get started. You must be 18 or older, enrolled in an accredited college or university and physically located in the US. You don't have to attend a US school, but you must be in the US to subscribe. First, go to youtube.com, search for the NFL channel and click Get NFL Sunday Ticket. Then sign in with your Google account. For this, use a personal Gmail, not a educational email. Scroll down and select eligible students can save with a student plan. If you have already verified through SheerID within the last 11 months, you will see the discounted price $119 for Sunday ticket or $129 with NFL RedZone. If not verified, click continue and fill in your name, email, date of birth, and school information. You might need to upload a class schedule, tuition bill, or student ID. Verification usually takes 20 minutes for US schools or up to 48 hours for non-US ones. Once verified, go back to YouTube using the link in your email and complete your purchase. You can manage your subscription anytime at youtube.com purchases. And that's all. That's how you will be able to sign up for NFL Sunday Ticket Student Plan.